After completing the PCB layout, I went to PCBway.com and uploaded the Garbo file and placed the order. Then I had few days of time, so I went into relax mode. Then I realized I had to design the 3D parts as well. So without wasting any more time, I started designing it. And when it is done, I started the printing. If you don't have 3D printer, you can get it done from PCBway.